it is not uncommon for us and historically to have drownings on yellow and or single red. Typically we lose more people on a single red day because the water's not closed, but it is extremely dangerous. So always have caution. Mother Nature is beautiful, but she can be deadly. I would encourage you to do a little bit of homework before you get here. You know you're coming here. You've planned coming in here. We want you to come here. We want you to enjoy it. We want you to make memories, but we all want you to go home safely. So do a little pre-work. You know you're coming. Find out what the weather's going to be. Learn what the local laws are. So we have signage everywhere. We have flags everywhere. Every hotel has signage. Everyone here is very versed in our environment, our coast. So just do a little homework before you get here. It'll make your trip much more enjoyable.